Hey everyone, I decided to make a quick video on this car. This is going to be a red Chrysler Town Country car. Let me see, I don't know if you guys can even see this. Town Country car. It's a soccer mom van, made in America. Car is basically a piece of shit. Then again, anything made in America is pretty much a piece of shit. Anyway, this is the problem with this car. So a buddy of mine was driving this car right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Basically, he was driving a car. There's a tire with a rim. He was driving it at 95, going to Jacksonville, coming from school or whatnot. He had a blowout. Fucking the rim was bent. He decided to go to some fucking scrapyard, get another tire and rim. Put it on this fucking thing. This is how a tire usually looks. Right there. Some of you that are non-car tax savvy, whatever. Anyway, basically fucking put the fucking tire on this thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see this. You put the tire goes in this thing pretty much right here. This is where the lug nut right here. There's 3 holes missing right here. I punched 3 of these things out right here. They were fucking bent. And what happened was when he went and got the tire at the scrapyard, the rim was bent. He put it on, they screwed it on, drove this fucking bitch home, ended up fucking these things up right here. 3 of them. So I got 1 hole, 2, 3 empty. Got new ones that are right here. Of course, this little piece right here, the ridges are a little bigger than the ridges in this one. I don't know if you guys can see this difference here, but there's definitely a difference. Let me see something. It's way smaller, the little ridges. So usually they'll slide in right from here. No problem. You guys can see this right here, but it should slide in right here, like that. This one right here, this piece right here, it's too big, so we're gonna need to get new ones of this. But basically, this assembly of this is basically the way this looked is. This will go right here. Let me see if you guys can see this. This will go right here, pretty much. That's exactly how it looks. Like this. This piece goes right here. Pretty much kind of like this. Goes inside there. Then you got this drum, which is right here with the holes. This drum would pretty much go right over this thing, kind of like that. And the tire, these little ridges right here, boom, 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 would stick out of here, out of those holes right there, and the tire pretty much goes on. So yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like right now. I just assembled the whole thing, punched out these pieces right here, make sure not to do any damage. Protein shake. Give you a close look what it looks like. That's what it looks like pretty much right here. Like again, like I said, this piece goes right here, kind of like this. That drum goes right on top over this piece, and the tire slides on. So that's how it looks right now. That's what it looks like disassembled. Fucking real basic shit, actually. Technically, this is your axle right here. And there it is. It's fucking spinning. You got your fucking, I don't know if you guys can see this. And got your stabilizer bar right here. And a spare tire right here. Fucking car is a piece of shit. Oh no. I mean, the design of this is so cheap too. And yet they charge you so much money. So this shit's always a problem. Always something. Anyway, that's it for my video. I just figured I'd give you a quick video. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it. There it is. One more time. That's what the fuck it looks like right now.